let's head to the crypto space now. And of course, one of the issues we'll talk about will be that sale of Bitcoin recovered in the United States. But before we get there, let's look at the price. Bitcoin is up this afternoon 1.72%, 95,117.35. Ethereum follows suit, but just 0.3% green gain on it. XRP, Solana, AVAX, and XNM, and some of those coins that, well, we have been advised that we could look out for this year. But we see BNB, TRX, USSDS, and some of, we saw a bit of recovery here. I think, was it yesterday? No, I wasn't here yesterday. So 2 days ago, we had some of the stable coins in the green and others in the red. So we see a bit of reversal right here. But let's talk to Rume Ofe now and find out his thoughts. We have some headlines, though, but I think I'll take that towards the end. Hi, Rume. I think I'm just so anxious to talk about this seized Bitcoin that could be sold in the United States. What do you know about this, and what impacts can we expect it to have on investor sentiment?
All right. Happy New Year to you, Ini.
I wish you
Thank you very much. Uh, yeah. So what actually is going on with the Bitcoin that are going to be sold as a result of the fact that these are coins that have been seized by the U.S. authorities before now from some fraudulent activities that have happened before. And right about now, they are going to sell. Selling them also is a way to be able to raise money for the government. But again, because of the fact that Bitcoin is digital gold and a lot of demand is on Bitcoin, considering what it solved, the problem it solved, and the value attached to it, I really don't think that it make a lot of sense to be selling Bitcoin now, most especially with the fact that Joe Biden's administration is running down. So most likely it's making some sense that he's selling because Donald Trump is coming, because Donald Trump is a crypto-friendly president. So some of these things are ways people are going to most likely think about this, but it's also not good for the industry because huge amount of the money, about $6.8 billion, is going to shake the entire industry right about now in terms of liquidity leaving. We're already seeing some signs where some of the ETFs are actually having to see some outflows right about now. But the truth is, on the long term, something is going to make sense. 20th of January is just very close.
Yeah, it's close, and it seems a lot of decisions are hovering around that. I saw, I think, some conversations around, you know, some people are waiting for Trump to get in before the ban. And I just wonder how long the Trump effect is going to be in the market.
Yeah, so if you ask me again, as uh, those that are more very knowledgeable in the industry right about now, I think I can also say that the Trump narrative is being exhausted at some point because we've seen some drawdowns in the entire market right about now. It's been exhausted reasonably, but 20th of January could be a buy the news, sell the event, sell the news event. I beg your pardon. You know, so we could see some people selling after some profit has been amassed a few times and time now. Uh, Starting from when he was elected as president till now, we might see some profit taking, and that could also see some downside. And at the end of the day, seeing some range movement at some point, you know. So, but we don't expect the market to move all up. People are going to take profit. So, expect the very best in the long term. But in the short term, no one can really give the exact way the market is going to move in the short term possible.
All right, Rume, thank you so much for your thoughts this afternoon, and enjoy the weekend.
Thank you very much, Ini.
All right, just before we leave now, there's been a list of some cryptos that Mr. Anthony Sakramucci is saying that you could look out for. He's an American financier, formerly White House Director of Communications. So perhaps you want to take your pick of cryptos to look out for this year, 2025. Obviously not financial advice. It's up to you. Ethereum is there, following Bitcoin's green, Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, Sui, and we saw this in the green this afternoon. Investing strategy. I think we have about 9 of them. We could have the other page of the crypto peak from Mr. Anthony. All right, I think there are about 9 of them, but well, it's up to you. Make up your mind what you want to do with your funds this year. Still early in the year, a good time perhaps to check your investing strategy. There you have it. And know whether you're going to be a billionaire in dollars or in euro at the end of the year. That's